Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set Instagram account public to reach more people. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Press on menu. Go to account privacy. From here, you can set your Instagram account public. You just have to turn off the button. Press on switch to public. That's it. So this is how to set Instagram account public to reach more people. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.